Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe using the same approach that I used last week. I'm just going to be experimenting with some different colors today. Before we get to that, I'm creating the background that I want to see through the swipe. I thought some pretty purples, pinks and blues would be nice. And I'm just blending the colors as I go along. If you struggle with blending, some things that I find helpful include working with a paintbrush that is wet but not dripping with water. You can also gently spritz your canvas with water every now and again as you're working to help provide you with a little bit more time to blend. After applying a second coat of paint and allowing that to dry, I'm preparing for the swipe by adding 1 drop of silicone oil to 65 grams of Floetrol. This is the Floetrol and Silicone mixture that I'm spreading over the canvas. It doesn't contain any paint color at all. To swipe over that, I'm using white paint, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. I'm eager to see what the dried result will look like. If you watched last week's video, you'll know that the Floetrol mixture dried clear. So we'll give this a day or so to dry and see what we end up with. I really like how it turned out. I like the colors and I like the strong contrast of the white against the purples at the bottom, and I also like how it fades upwards. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.